Hi everyone, this is Killian from Nerdy Panda, and in this video I'm going to show you how to give your chatbot instructions in terms of how to behave, what you wanted to ask your customers, what you don't want it to ask, how you wanted to respond, etc. So what we're going to do is go to the settings section. In the previous video I already showed you how to fill out the general descriptions section, so we're going to skip that and we're going to go to the instructions. So basically the instructions is where you give the bot orders. This is where you tell it, do this, do that, don't do this, do it this way, whatever. So here you put in orders, and in the general description you put in information where the bot can pull the information it needs to answer customers' questions. Okay, so for example, I said the first instruction I gave it was when sending the first message. So let's say somebody asks, is it still available? I'm going to say, yes, it is available. And then I give it the order to always ask the sender to send you their number to arrange a viewing. So I'm going to say, yes, it is available. Could you please send me your phone number to arrange a viewing? Okay, so this is, for example, in the case of real estate, this could work. So you don't need to tell it exactly what to say, because the chatbot is smart enough to create its own sentences depending on, it creates a sentence that makes sense to whatever question the sender sent, so the customer sent, okay? So then I tell it that when sending the second message, so people might say, yeah, sure, here's my number. So here I give it the instruction that it says when sending the second message, always ask the sender what's a good time to call. Okay, so the chatbot's gonna send something like, thank you for sending me your number. When will be a good time to call you? Okay, and then I also give it the order to never negotiate the price. So if somebody asks, oh, I offer you 10% less, or I offer you $100 less, the chatbot won't negotiate, okay? And I also tell it to give short answers. I don't want it to give extremely long answers or be extremely polite or anything like that. So basically anything that you would tell an employee to do, you could tell the chatbot, do this, do that, etc. And you put it all in here in the instructions. And then in this section, you can put in the maximum number of messages you want to send per conversation. So for example, you might not want to spend more than 7 messages per conversation, okay? Because maybe sometimes people are just time wasters, so you don't want to waste messages on people that just continue chatting. So here I would recommend maybe putting 10 or something like that. Okay, then you just click save, and that's it.